Welcome everybody, Jameson C. Montgomery here with you. I have a great video. I'm going to talk a little bit more about red light therapy and how it really helped me. I still use my infrared device because I feel like it's really helping me in a lot of ways. For some of you that have already tried using the infrared device, it looks like this here. This is one of the ones, many of them that you can purchase out on the market. This is kind of how it looks. It's got like a nice little swivel. So that way you can prop it up. But this is a great device, and I think a lot of you are already using it, and some of you are still new to the channel or new to the technology of using this device. But this is not new technology in terms of it being used to help with pain, being used to help with inflammation, help with a lot of different conditions, even with anxiety. It calms the nerves. There's so many conditions that red light therapy, infrared specifically, just to give you a quick little spill, infrared is the energy that this device lets out. So you cannot see infrared. Infrared is it's unseen by the naked eye, but red light is the act of the bulb that's being used in this device is letting out red light. Infrared is simply the energy that's being released from the device, is what penetrates through the skin into the core of the body to help stimulate circulation. It's not new technology. It's been around many years before. It's not something that I created. It's not anything that someone, many people know about this treatment. If you go into spa treatment centers and you go and get services done, move my plant a little bit, my fake plant here. This is going to be the device that you're going to see. So for all of you out there that are new to my channel, I use red light therapy to help stimulate my ear. Long story short, I had Eustachian Tube Dysfunction. It was a major problem. Nothing else seemed to be working. I went to many physicians and specialists. No one could help me really. It gave me a lot of good advice, but then it didn't really take care of the problem. Going through my research that I would constantly do each day is what I want all of you to continue to do. I stumbled across red light therapy, and I started to research about it and learn about it. Well, little did I know, I was like, wait a minute. If the doctor's telling me that the problem with my ear is pertaining to inflammation, it's pertaining to lack of circulation, blood circulation in that area, I need to start researching things that are going to help improve the aspect of giving or bringing more circulation, not just through diet, because of course my diet changed, not just through meditation and centering myself. I really had to try something else as well on top of all those things. So I stumbled across red light therapy, did a lot of research. I realized that on the market they do have red bulbs that let out red light, not infrared. So that's the difference. You can go on to maybe to your local hardware store online and find a red bulb and plug it into, or screw it into a bulb, any kind of lamp, and then you'll get red light. But it's the infrared, it's the energy that's going to help in this condition, with this condition. And so this is something I wanted to try. For all of you out there that are skeptical and may be thinking that this machine won't work for you, it may not. Just like medication is not working for you right now, right? You can't go back and sue the manufacturer or say that the manufacturer was wrong. It's not working for you. So I had relief with this machine. I'm not selling this product. This is a product that I discovered, and that for this condition. I don't see anybody else online talking about using red light therapy, infrared energy for the ear, and this really helps. So I'm going to power this guy on real quick, and basically what you'll get is you'll hear the fan running, and this light is extremely it's the minute you put it on your face, you immediately feel the sensation of relief. I'm telling you right now, it's no joke. I was doing this 15 times at the beginning, 15 minutes at the beginning, and if you notice here real closely, you'll see there's an indicator to show the amount of minutes that it can run for. It has an auto shut off feature, which is awesome, because when you're somewhere relaxing, you don't want this thing you'll fall asleep and this thing just runs forever. So it'll auto shut off. You may not want 15 minutes, you may not have 15 minutes, you can adjust. So that's pretty cool. I would put this on my face, particularly where my ear is, and I would let it sit there 15 minutes. And I didn't have problems with my other ear, but I would rotate just in case. I would put it on the other ear. I had problems with my left ear, but I would put it on both ears. Just, you want to balance things out. This is what was my logic. My logic was in that. So this is what's really helped me right here. Infrared light therapy. This is going to be something that I constantly bring up. It's been very helpful for me. I still use it. Matter of fact, I'll keep it on as I talk to you guys. And I'll let you know that, again, I want to tell you this. And I think I'll start doing my videos with this on because it actually makes me feel better. A lot of you are getting positive effects with this device and device like. And I'm telling you right now, until you continuously use it on a consistent basis, you're not really going to know if it's really going to help you with this condition. You have to do it consistently. By consistently, I mean you have to at least do it for a couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks, and see how you feel, see how your body feels and how it responds to it. The awesome thing about it is if you purchase this particular machine, there's a 30-day return policy. So if you feel like, hey, this isn't working, send it back in, get your money back. So it's not something that I am advocating this machine because it helped me. I'm not pocketing any change from this machine, and I really want you guys all to give it a try. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Just like you try many other things in your quest to healing. You try I don't know, that some of you are taking nasal spray, decongestant. Sometimes it doesn't help. It's not you know, the nasal congestion, it's not the nasal company's fault that it didn't work. It's just, you know, it didn't work for your particular situation. What you'll find with Eustachian tube dysfunction is you have to be a troubleshooter. You have to figure out what works and what doesn't, and a lot of times things don't work for it, and you're going to go into a little bit of a moment of frustration because you're going to say, well, nothing's working. You just haven't found what works for you just yet. And if you have found it, you have to stick with it. And so it's like anything else in life, whatever it is you're doing, whatever at the beginning doesn't seem like it's working, it's just because it's too soon, and you have to relate it to that sometimes. So I'm telling you right now, this machine has been a blessing. It's been a major game changer in my life in terms of dealing with this condition. It's really helped me realize that there's a lot of knowledge out there that we're not really being advised with. We're not being told about it. And infrared light therapy for healing and pain management has been around for centuries. It's an energy. It's something that a lot of you are just discovering, even though you've had pain for your whole life. And so this can really help. I use it right now to whenever I work out and things like that, which isn't very often, as often as I want it to be. Whenever I work out and I have a little tension, I use this machine and it helps me loosen up. It keeps me loose. It keeps me relaxed. And so if I get 15 minutes in my day to just sit back and not think of anything, I turn the machine on and I let it just have it on. And it really changes the way you feel. You'll notice when you start using this machine that you start to feel more calm. The body is starting to balance and starting to relax a little with the warmth of the machine and the light and the energy reflecting from the machine into the body. You'll start to realize the change that you feel, and it's a good change. It's something that, see, the many of you who follow this channel are following because of Eustachian tube dysfunction, tinnitus, many issues with the ear. What you'll find with this machine is that if you are just using it simply for that condition, you have a good chance of being disappointed sometimes. I used it and stumbled across it because I had an active issue with my ear that caused me to not get adequate blood flow into that area, which was causing congestion, which was causing fluid buildup, which was causing ringing of the ears, which was causing congestion in the terms of in a mechanical aspect of it. I was also having issues with my jaw, so it was really making things just build up over time. But if you're using this machine for those problems I just told you, on top of doing the right things for your body, you are going to find healing. I'm telling you that with confidence. I don't have to be a doctor to tell you these things, by the way. I am telling you that if you use this machine on top of doing the things that your doctor told you you should be doing as well, and that you know it's good for you, you're going to find healing, but you have to do it in a consistent manner. You have to stay with it. You have to believe that you can, and believe that your body will. And so a lot of you who are still struggling, it's not the end of it. You will find healing, but it's going to take a little bit of work, just like you may or may have not been doing the right things to develop it and didn't really know it was doing the ear problem to you. And so when you have the problem, you think, oh, it just happened. See, the problem is that you start noticing obvious symptoms with the ear, but little did you know that you could have already had the issue, and your body was kind of fighting it off for many years or many months, and then now the body's actually responding to the problem now. So you relate that I just got this overnight. It's not always the case. Sometimes you could have been dealing with this issue and just the symptoms weren't as evident as they are now. So if all of you out there are still at your sorts and you're lost and you're not sure what to do, and you have tried everything else, you've been trying red light therapy, infrared therapy for a long time, and you still can't find relief, give it a try. It's a very inexpensive thing to do, to try. It's less expensive than going back and forth to physicians and they're not helping you as well. So why not just try something at home that can really bring some relief to you? And again, if it doesn't work, you can turn it in, get your money back. Whereas a physician, you pay the copay, pay your deductible, your money's gone. So again, of course, you always want to be in touch with your physician to rule out any conditions that you have prior to using anything new for your body. So I will tell you that always be in touch with your physician. Let them know what you're doing. If you're on a strict diet or if you're on a strict set of routines, be sure to get all of that cleared, and then try red light therapy. It's very safe. It's harmful to the body. It's something that can really help you. It's not a new technology. It's been around, and I guarantee you, with consistency and belief and effort, you will get through this condition, because at the end of the day, Eustachian tube dysfunction is benign if we do the right things to heal ourselves. Give our body a chance to heal. So I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. I hope if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm 100% available. I'll say, okay, most of the time I'm available, and I'm here to help you. Always here to bring guidance, and we're gonna get through this together. So all right, like always, being well is feeling well is doing well. Take care, everybody. Talk to you soon.